and it's really cheap. But one problem is it wobbles really badly. This is because the bracket right here does not fit to the arm that well, so it will wobble. Let me try to get it better. And that's really bad. So how do you fix that? First, you want to take the height adjustment screw off. So I'm just going to unscrew this here. Oh, if I actually have my Phillips head in the screw, that would help. There we go. I take the knob off of there. And we're just taking that height adjustment screw out. So let me take this monitor off. There we go. And I'll actually use the knob to remove this screw. There we go. And then we put the monitor back on. Like so. And then we screw the height adjustment screw on top of the bracket. So now it's like this. If it'll focus, there we go. So now it's on, like the height adjustment screw is on top instead of the monitor resting on top of the height adjustment screw. So we just swapped those two. And now that wobble is significantly reduced. There's almost none. Obviously, you can no longer individually adjust the height of each monitor, like if I want this one higher, this one lower, so on and so forth. But now it doesn't wobble. And it's worth the price. If it was just slightly better fit, it'd be amazing for the price. Kind of disappointing, but $25, really good.
Came over tightened. I can't adjust it in order for me to be able to mount the TVs. And a tool was not given.